How to use Snapchat on phone for beginners. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So let's get started right away. Now, if you open up Snapchat for the first time, it will probably immediately ask for friends you want to add. Now, how to actually add friends? You want to just click on this add friends button at the top right there. But you can also click on your profile picture or Bitmoji at the top left and also add friends right here under the friends section. So here you can search for friends, but you can also, add whoever you want. So let's say I would just add a random friend. I'm just going to search for a random name. I'm just going to add this random account. So now I have added this account as a friend, but that person also needs to accept me as a friend as well, or else we can't really send snaps to each other. So then we already get to the next point, how to actually send snaps. So it's super easy. At the bottom you just have this take a snap icon, and that's how you can take a snap. And here you can do all kinds of stuff. You can add text like this, you can draw stuff, you can add stickers and all of this. Here you can make a sticker like this. What else we got? You can add music in this library. You can add links with the paperclip icon. You can crop your snap like this if you'd like to. And you can also set a timer. So I usually have it on no limit. There's just no limit to the snap. You can also set it on 10 seconds or whatever you want. And that's kind of everything you can do in here. You can also do or add filters. So on the right of the snap button, you can have filters. So these are kind of just the basic filters here. But what is also pretty cool is that you can click on explore at the bottom right corner, and you can explore the snap camera. So here you can view or use custom made filters. So you can do whatever you want. So let's say web shooter or something like that. So then if you would do that, you can, use this filter, which is pretty cool. And, you can also scan for filters. And, you can just do all kinds of stuff with that. So then if you would swipe to the right, you can here see all your chats. And here you can, you can chat with people, your friends, or whatever you want. And you can also send stickers and all kinds of stuff like that. It's super easy. And if you swipe one more time to the right, you can see also the snap map and stuff like that. So on the right, you can see all your stories and the discovery and, all kinds of stuff like that. And all the way to the right, you can see this spotlight. So this is basically kind of just like TikTok, but on Snapchat. So, you can just scroll through this as well if you like that. And that's kind of all there is to it. I'm also going to show the settings. So if you open up the settings like this, you can change all kinds of stuff. But the important part here is, for example, who can. So here you can see who can contact me, send me notifications, views my story, see my location, see me in quick add. So here you can change this to whatever you want. So to everyone or my friends and stuff like that. So for example, see my location. You can also do friends accept. So here you can add add the people that can see your location and stuff like that, So that's kind of important, these settings. And you have even more settings here. So that is kind of everything there is to it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.